this is a quick video on graphing utilities. Your textbook sees this word, utilities. It's actually just considered a graphing calculator. We did ask you at the beginning of the school year if you could purchase a graphing calculator. Now we'll start getting to more of the tools of it. If you don't need to write any of this down, just go ahead and read this. The biggest mistake I see students make is when they set up writing an equation into the graphing calculator, let's say y equals 3x squared plus 50, and then they go to graph it and it maybe doesn't show up on the graph. It's because your viewing window is not set up appropriately. So what we're going to do in class is we're going to run through a couple examples with our smartboard and our calculators and my calculator on how to set up that window to make sure it is appropriate. So here's an example of a standard viewing window. On the next slide, it kind of talks about what does this viewing window look like. So -10 or -100, 150 by -100, 110. So here's what it looks like over here in your window. It's saying the x minimum, so the left-hand side of your x-axis is showing -100. The right-hand side, the x-axis is showing 100, and then it's scaled by 50. So the first tick mark would be 50. The next one would be 100, so it's scaled by 50. That's a pretty big scale. Y minimum represents the left-hand or the bottom side of -100, and then Y maximum 100, and then this one is scaled by 10. So every 10 tick marks is a value. So that's just a little information for you. If you're not comfortable with the graphing calculators, please ask me in class during our work time to work with you. There are lots of YouTube videos out there too on how to enter things in. As we move through our class, we're going to teach you a lot about those graphing calculators. So just understanding that viewing window will be our focus this first lesson.